Hello and greetings from Clinic, Chennai. I'm Dr. Aditya Varman, and in this video, we're going to take you through what exactly happens during the process of laser vision correction with the Smile Pro treatment. So before we bring the patient into the operation theatre, the patient has given very clear instructions outside on what exactly to expect during the process of laser vision correction with the Smile Pro laser. So once the patient has come inside now, we have the patient lie on the bed here. Once the patient has laid down, we proceed to go ahead and cover one eye underneath a sheet. So we have to treat one eye at a time. We do the right eye first, followed by the left eye. So when the right eye is being done, the left eye will be covered underneath the sheet. And when the left eye is being done, the right eye will be covered underneath the sheet as well. But the patient is always instructed to keep both eyes open. Following which, we place this device called a clamp, which keeps the eyelids stretched open so that the treatment can be performed safely. So during this whole process of treatment, the patient will not experience any pain because both pre-operatively and during the whole procedure, we keep applying topical anesthesia drops, which will keep the patient comfortable and they will not experience any pain at all during the procedure. So after the clamp has been applied, we go ahead and start with the laser application. So this is a machine here. This is the Smile Pro laser. As you see here, it's got two arms. This is the arm which applies the laser, and this is the arm which is the microscope. So after the patient is all draped and ready, we go ahead and we are ready for the laser application. We go ahead and get the laser arm to come down now. At this point of time, the patient is now instructed to look into the laser. So what does the laser look like? The patient will see a white ring, and inside the white ring, the patient will be able to see a green blinking dot. All the patient has to do is look at the green blinking dot, and a few seconds later, the patient will experience that the white ring and green dot are coming closer and closer to their eye. One point of time, the white ring and green dot gently touch the eye without any pain, and this is when the laser starts. The laser takes only about 8 seconds. The patient has to be looking at the green dot the entire time, and 8 seconds later the laser application is done, after which this arm will now be taken up back again. So following this, the second arm of the machine now has to come down. This is the arm with the microscope. During this step of the procedure, the patient will be experiencing a white light. All they have to do is look at the white light during the rest of the procedure. The rest of the procedure is done by the surgeon by looking into the binocular microscope. It takes about 30 seconds to 1 minute. So after the second step of the procedure is done, we now repeat the exact same thing for the other eye as well. And once we finish both eyes, the Smile Pro laser treatment is now complete, and the patient can now leave the operating theatre. After leaving the theatre, the patient will have some clear vision, but they can experience some discomfort such as redness, irritation, and they will not be happy with their vision for the first 6 to 12 hours. But half a day later, the patient can expect to have 100% visual recovery and return to the regular lifestyle activities. So I hope I've given you a brief overview on the Smile Pro laser vision correction procedure. If you still have any questions, please drop them in the comment box below and I'll be happy to help you. Thank you.